This is a set theory, and when we talk about a set theory has to do with a collection of objects, and those objects are called elements. The objects are called elements. That is, the things that the objects combines, we call them the elements. As you can see on this note, the note has been prepared for further reading, and from there we have types of sets. We have categorically, there are two ways with which we can represent a set. So the first one is what we call the roster method, which is the roster method, and the second one is what we call the rule method. Under the roster method, if the elements of a set are enumerated and enclosed in braces with commas separating one element from another, the set is said to have been described using roster method. For example, look at a set here. Set A equals to the bracket of the set, and there are 4 elements inside, which are small letter A, B, C, and D. And if you see in between the A, B, C, D, there are commas, you understand, among them. So it is a comma we use to separate them. So anytime we use a comma to separate between elements like this, that kind of set is called a roster method set. Another set we have is the rule method. Under the rule method here, some mathematical statements are used to explain what a set is. For instance, example here, look at it. D equals to open bracket of set X is such that X is a what? Is a month beginning with J. Now, what is that saying? D there is the set of all sets of all X such that each S is a month beginning with J. So the slash there is read such that is the meaning of the slash, such that is the meaning of the slash. And at times we can also use colon to separate between the sets, or we can use colon instead of the slash. So the colon may be used in place of the slash. So another one, look at it now, D, meaning that if we are to use the roster method to interpret what this rule method is saying here, it means that D equals to month that begins with J. Example, D equals to January, June, July. That is what it means just in roster method. When we come to the next class, we'll continue with more explanation. Thank you.